Hi, welcome to our playhouse. Today we are exploring a new park near our house with our Jeep. Come along. Uh-oh, what happened? Our Jeep can't go anymore. What's in the way? Oh my goodness, a big branch from a tree. Good thing we got that out of the way. All right, let's go. These trees must have been planted a while ago. They were planted in straight rows, and look at how big they are. They have been growing for a long time. We've come to another area with a lot of big branches. We need to clear a path so the Jeep can get through. Let's work on lifting these heavy sticks. These big trees that we're driving through are pine trees. We can tell because all that brown stuff on the ground, those are pine needles from the trees. And you can also see a lot of pine cones on the ground too. Uh-oh, another big stick has stopped us. We better clear all these big sticks out of the way. We need to move that whole pile so the Jeep can get through. Come on. That looks so much better. Let's get back in the Jeep and go. Hey, let's go explore the grassy area of the park. I wonder what we can find over here. Maddie found something. What is it, Maddie? Wow. She says it looks like a little birdhouse. I wonder what type of birds would be in there. Do you see anything? Oh, she says nothing's in there today. Okay, we should probably leave it alone. Let's head back to the Jeep. found a little pond to stop at. Maddie and Carter want to see if we can see any fish in there. The water looks pretty murky. I don't see any fish today.
Ooh, we found another. Okay, we're not gonna look, let's not look in it. Because if there's really a bird or something in there, then we'll disturb it. Cool. That's our second one we found today. Should we go on a hunt for another one? See if there's more? Oh, there is. Let's drive up to it. Good spotting that, Carter. See it? Oh, another one. It's the third one we've seen. Cool.
I'm gonna drive now.
We found a fun spot to collect some nature items. Let's see what we can find. We found some pretty yellow flowers, and Maddie found a leaf. And look at these. These are the seeds from the sweet gum trees. Look at how many are still on the tree, but so many have also fallen to the ground. Neat. Here's our collection of everything we found. Let's hop back in the Jeep and explore some more. Hey, Maddie found something. What's on that tree? Some letters. What letters do you see? An N and an R. This is a red maple tree that some people have put some letters into. Here's another cool tree. I wonder what this one is. Let's look at the sign.
Oh, this is called an American sweet gum.
Oh.
Cool. Wow, this is the one that has all of these. These things come from that.
American sweet gum?
Yeah.
Is this American sweet gum?
That's the name of the tree. I didn't even know that was a tree name. That's pretty cool. We learned something new today, huh? Even Mama learned something new.
I
You
see
think
two.
you can find another tree like that?
There's just two over here.
There's some more over there, you think?
Well, I'm like Papa.
Pretty cool. All right, let's go back to the Jeep. You can go back, find something else to explore.
Yeah, I think I saw something up here.
You want to check out something up here?
I'm gonna put it in the Jeep.
Oh, you're gonna save that one? All right. Oh yeah, like a piece of rope it looks like. We can take that and put it in the garbage if you want. Should we take that so it's not in the park? That shouldn't be left here, huh? That's not part of nature. All right, we can take it and put it in the park, okay? Oh, there's like a little stream. Let's go see. It's coming off the pond. Oh, and it goes into that drain. That. The water's draining in there then it can go through. And if we come over here on the other side of this little hill, it comes out here. Look. This is where it comes out. See? And then the water flows down on this side too.
And a hole.
And it kind of goes through those rocks over there, and then yeah. Oh, there is a hole there. What do you think made that hole?
Maybe a bunny?
I'm not sure what would have made that. Huh. That's neat. It's cool. You found that car. Did you see the hole? Come here. Over here. An animal made this. We're just not going to get too close because we don't want to disturb it if there's an animal in there, okay? But we can look at it. Pretty cool.
Oh, maybe a bunny, a baby and bunny made that.
You think it's a bunny? That's what Maddie thinks too. I'm not sure that it's a bunny, but your guess is as good as mine, I guess.
Maybe it's a baby lion that made that.
A lion?
Lions.
Do you think lions live around here? Have you seen a lion around here?
I mean, I heard something.
You heard something?
Maybe it's coming.
I hear lots of birds, and maybe it's like maybe a chipmunk. That looks a little big for a chipmunk, but I know they dig tunnels in the ground. We had a chipmunk hole in our yard, don't we?
I want chickens to live.
You want to explore the pond here, or you want to get back in the Jeep? You want to go drive around the pond? All right, let's do it. You see the ducks?
Oh, why are they not going?
It's a mama and a daddy duck.
Look how. Where's the daddy one going?
I don't know. He's looking for something. You're right. He went away from the mama. He's over in the weeds, or the trees kind of over there, huh?
The cheese, the cheese.
Here he is.
The cheese, the cheese.
Well, that's all for today. We had so much fun exploring this fun park with you. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, we would love for you to join us in another fun adventure. Remember, every day is a great day to play. See you next time.
Bye. Thanks for watching. The birds they're poop lambs. Everywhere they're poop lambs. The birds don't even care. When they're flying, their poop comes out.